Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix an Unarc error on Windows 11. So here we go. Based on Microsoft answer, is done.dynamic link library and Unarc dynamic link library error is related to the installation of PC games as well a program of large size. Large games or program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eats up your PC RAM as well as hard drive. So if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So this error might also associated with memory error or hard drive error on your computer. There are a few fixes that we can run that might resolve your issue. So first, you can increase your page file or virtual memory. You can hold Windows key and R key in order to run sysdm sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Here you can click Advanced, click Set Performance Settings. Click Advanced again and click Change on Virtual Memory. You can untick the box and here you can custom size the initial size and maximum size. So you can fill the blank with the 2.5 gigabyte. So minimum is 400 and 3000 is the maximum. Note that values are in megabytes, so this is set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 gigabyte. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click this button below. See you in the next